Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the lab presentation on password cracking using the John the Ripper tool. So in this session, I will show you how to crack the password using the John the Ripper in an incremental mode. So incremental mode is a brute force attack where the John the Ripper tries all possible character combination within certain constraints like length and character types. This approach covers every possible password combination systematically, but it is the most time consuming one compared to the other types of cracking like word list, single, masking, and so on. When to use it? When no information about the password is available. Okay, the attacker has no idea about the password that has to be cracked or other methods fail, then this is often a last resort due to the extensive time required. Okay, let's see how this password cracking works. Let first it will try like A, B, C, all the alphabets. Okay, if it is alphanumerical, then it would involve the numbers also. Then it would try these combinations like A, B, and so on. Then triple A, B, and so it's like it's a brute force attack. It will try all the combination of the alphanumerical characters until it succeeds. Okay, so now let's practically see this type of attack, password cracking. Let us create a user, sudo, okay, add user Tom. So I will create a password. Let me say ABC. ABC is the password, and these are optional things. No need to focus. Just press that Y, yes. Okay, in this option. Okay, so after creating the user, just check the shadow file using this command sudo cat /etc/shadow, and you can see that Tom user has been created, and this is the Tom user and his hash value. Just copy this hash value, copy the selection, and save this hash value in a file using this command echo single quotes, right click, paste the selection, close the single quotes greater than the name of the file in which you are going to store the hash value. So I have a file hash password.txt. So I am storing this hash value in that file. Okay, then once it is done, then we can go for the cracking sudo. Okay, then the name of the tool, that is John. Okay, and it's incremental. Okay, so it's incremental. Let us see, is there any options that exist for this? Okay, so these are the three options that exist for the incremental. Okay, if you want to try only numbers, then you can put digits here. If you want to try alphanumerical characters, then you put ALNum, and default one, try all the combinations that includes characters as well as numbers and special characters. Okay, so now let's try this. So our password is ABC. So let me try default, and then format is equal to crypt. And here also I told you, in case you know the type of the algorithm, then you can go ahead with that algorithm name here instead of using the generic one. And then finally you give the name of the file that contains the hash value. So it's cracking, and unknown incremental mode default. Okay, just a minute. Let me check what is the mistake. Let's uh, let's try one more time. Let's try this default one like this. Let me remove it. So it is trying all the possible options. Finally, after 10 minutes, um, the tool has given the result. Password ABC, it successfully cracked the password. Actually, this proves that the incremental technique is time consuming, but if all the other techniques like the word list or single or masking technique, if it is not giving the result, then this is the only option. See, just the password is just 3 letters. For this, it took almost 10 minutes. And I made a small variation. I removed the equal default because I think the syntax is not wrong, is not correct. So this is the correct syntax, dash dash incremental. Okay, in case if you want to try with numbers, then go for digits. As I said before, okay, the this default is not working. Okay, so just remove this. If it is a digits numbers, then you can try this digits. If it is alphabets and numbers, then you can go for AL now. Okay, then I made one more addition in this command. Dash dash fork equal to 4. So that means I just try to increase the processing capacity, like how many processing threads, like CPU threads, that could be allocated to this process. I just requested 4. So 4 threads will be allocated for this process that is doing the password cracking using the incremental mode. Okay, so that's it. Um, Thank you very much.